Okay, good afternoon, guys. Today we're going to go over the fundamental genetics. So basically, I guess a real quick scenario of genetics would be if you wanted to know what you inherited, what say your eye color from your parents, say your brother and sister, say you inherited the color of blue, and say your sister inherited the color of brown, and you want to know why. How come I got blue and she got brown? Or maybe you are taller than tall like your father, and your sister is tall like or short like your mother. So that has to do with your genetic inheritance from the parents. So that's one scenario. So right now, what we're going to do is we're going to split up into our groups. We're groups of 4, our regular assigned groups, and then we're going to go over present a PowerPoint presentation, and then we're going to do a group activity. It'll be a worksheet that'll take us through today, and then we'll wrap up with the homework assignment. Is going to be we're going to finish the L section of the KWL chart, which we're going to start right now. The L will be, which we learned. It's going to be homework assignment and plus a video to watch tonight. So first to start off, let's just start doing, each group is going to write down their own KWL chart. So right now, we're going to start together. We're going to start the K for what we already know, and then we're going to do the W for what we plan to learn, what we want to learn. So first, let me start asking some questions just to get a little feedback from you guys. So Randy, what do you already know about genetics?
I know that I got my eye color from my dad's side of the family because my eye color is exactly like my dad. And I know the guy Mendel did something with genetics. I don't know exactly what it was, but I know Mendel did a study, and
That's good, because we're going to go into Mendel right now. His name is Gregor Mendel. I'll cover that in a minute. But okay, so that gets us started. So that's what some of us know. So the rest of the groups, go ahead and write down what you already know. That's a good start. Okay, how about let me ask Annabelle, what do you want to learn from this lesson about the fundamentals of genetics?
I want to learn what my children will look like.
Okay, we can solve that, or we can go ahead and find that out. So basically, the goal today will be we're going to look into genes where we have dominant and recessive genes, which determine where we're going to learn our genotype and our phenotype. And then we're going to learn one way to calculate a genotype and a phenotype will be using a Punnett square. So we're going to cross genes together to look at different outcomes. Okay, so we're going to start right now. Okay, we're going to start with, like Randy's talked about, Gregor Mendel. He's considered the father of genetics. He was actually a monk from Austria, which actually is